Good afternoon and welcome to Jan's Kitchen. I'm Janice, better known as my friends and family, affectionately as Chef Janice. Today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the ingredients needed for guacamole, mise en place, and the avocado. Did you know that the avocado, most people consider it to be an actual vegetable, but it's really not. It's a fruit and member of the vegetable family. It's a very exciting thing to use and can be used in many different things. So I'm going to start today by making all the ingredients necessary to make a guacamole. I start with 3 avocados, 2 of which I've already properly prepared. A half a cup of salsa. It can be, again, any type of your choice. It can be hot, medium or mild, chunky or thin, depending on your likes. I've got about a teaspoon of salt. Again, this is according to your taste and what you like. I'm going to use the lemon juice to top the avocado so that they don't turn brown, and finish it off with a lime juice. So if you follow me step by step, we'll begin to prepare the guacamole. By the way, all of this information that I have sitting up here is called mise en place, which is for French meaning everything in its place. It's getting everything ready to make your dish. First thing we're going to do is take the avocado. I'm going to slice it all the way around, being very careful not to cut your hand. When you twist it all the way around, you'll twist it apart. You'll find that one half does have the seed in it. Tap your knife in and pull it out, and you dispose that in the trash. Now, to make this very easy for your guacamole, and there's one of 2 ways that you can do this. You can take your spoon and simply hollow it out and make small slices out of it. Because we're making guacamole and I want it in smaller slips, I'm going to take and make small dices in it. So when it comes out of your avocado, it'll be very simple and chunked up, ready to use. So again, just take your spoon around the edge of the core and drop it in, and you're all set. We'll complete that again with the second half of the avocado, and then you're ready to go. Again, slice, 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 and slice to make a dice. And again, you can make it chunky or smoother depending on what you're looking for. Okay, at this time now I'm going to move this over here, and I'm going to start chopping and mashing up my avocados a little bit so they're more of my desired texture and tendency. And again, if you like it chunky, you can do several things by using a fork. You can use a potato masher, or if you want it very smooth, you're welcome to use an electric mixer. Remember, cooking is like an art and not a science. So again, you get to be a little more creative and artistic when you're doing this, and it makes things specialty and taste of your own. Okay, now I'm going to add the salsa. I've chosen a medium-sized salsa with a medium can of paste that's been pre-measured out, and it is 1/2 a cup. So again, I'm going to mix that up a little bit more, again making it chunky as I like it, just to get to the consistency that we like. Again, guacamole is not just for chips. It can be used with any type of Mexican dish. It can be used as a condiment with other dishes that you're looking. It's very good, powerful antioxidant, and it's very good for you. And I'm not a real big salt fan, so most people in recipe use about a teaspoon. I'm going to just sprinkle a little bit on, again, to my liking. And again, you just cook this in. And we're all set to go. Now I'm going to finish it with 1 extra slaw. What I'm going to do right now is take the juice of a lime. I'm going to roll the lime a little bit more to get the juices rolling. I'm going to cut it in half. And now I'm going to squeeze 1/2 the lime into my guacamole. And again, you can use more or less, again, depending on your particular taste buds. And now we're all set. Give it a taste. Very good. Well, thanks for joining me in Jan's Kitchen. Feel free to check out on my blog if you have any further questions or concerns about how I make my guacamole. But again, guacamole is a preference. Enjoy. Bon appetit.